so ebusia for ya mamwa ha Sompa 93.1 FM Sunie Sompa 98.9 One mukremu wa Bruno Mantam Krotam Sunyemu wa Jemu Madishia wa Bruno East one man and quadun suit yebi Cassia boy ni obetie bi ene didi sway was one for bed yachira wa boy Juma wa catcher ni tituni aduane afemse no kre aduane de ehon kwache na emume bono e wosoro
Kane mransebedwane de ma adehye ya ewo oboase wode nsam bia todwa e kirem se baabi amanfo de wo nsa e kire no emfa na ombegya ya omunyae
any pipi amanyokuo mu sa pre da were aya wono mo twen no wo busa o yema kwan na obi enyina nim nya campaign ye ne panipa bi betwetwe ho nkomo
abusia ye beko euro krobo enye ntiye se bibi ekoso ntiye beko na yekotie adekoro
afija kwa abre south eni disi amanyokuo waboni pebi abaso
Kane asante mantamo soafo ewo papa J na ben so no abusuane hatie no enye nsam mu odakura na yede asem a
na yede afutu akodi amaye nuanom asabi eburu won mo kwa bi atochema ne se ya mo mu wo mo ho abomfia
na enye nantie se akwanhia bi asia ano odentie nua be ma Ebeneza wuso ansa ede mu asem ebebre yen
ye beko Cairo woja twaso dan bi manipa be se duanan baako afemu ahwere wonum nkwa
ene Sudan de ne de te kwon pa ya yoro hosam ne de ba
Kasia boy edi karitie ne yaje bre asin konwa edi abra mu Facebook eda wo sesini abetumi ahwe no mu no wadwen kire ne so yakenkan edi amawo ohini ni amakranche adazoa sofuma mi premeni wo papa mesa mene
nana kwabena kese
yemfra sia na fe kasia ponum amane ye no yemfa mawo wosoafo abedi akire a wopo adwuma arokacha fam ne titru no wan wo hweduane so ene onumanyafo ya frempon ado waje atum se duane de ne bo no ayeden na duane de bi wo manum ene enra ha me betachima ebu bayira so bayire kai abu nanso ne bo no e wo soro pa na wo so busam a ebim session tuade aye maame nom e de kofa niema no e na drafo no ebu ye kodoku wo am to say petrol ebim so mfa so twitwiri die ya mo pesu wo munya e na akofa we nyina de aba panipai e kasa e no se aban ne ye de obetumi bia so obeboa na sa ade no etimi efro sanse enkura ene enuane no wo no say no am trata say ni omde tanka ene ba kwatwi niane no aba na bo na tumi aba format memufo atimi atobi edi no aban no wode san hyehyeye no wode egu akwam
production e de yenya nyameda roma yenya production no but transportation to the urban areas now has been the cost all the time and the side and the cost and then profiteering so you cannot rule out that one mama no oko far bad I said the idea Bruno bar market no the India better so yeah now omunhwe the percentage ben na me fan to so may okay because I did demand here high no principal normal profit kakra no so abefam but no crapa there say there because new crop no eba beto old crop no ama food prices in there and cut down significantly there, but at least a form and I stabilize it. Say anko a sumpo there I stabilize it, and I say my form crash stabilize. But me the minimum say about form because by then I meto in those days and yet the same price and I see I meto no and I see you know who say yana nanu umuka say July kitausa idi omude to no na enye kwao because and then the peak of a com. It's here and I catch say munum su ntwa ope because August September na dey starting ba boss will be an 20 a seasonal but this year no be hard because of transportation cost na be bo mu no go ye call rounds or regions ni who say e dey no hope but e be du krom ne bo din ya na dey nkofo ka say e dey ni ho no it is because of the cost but seriously speaking e dey there e bi ho ne bo no na and admittedly nobody there was through
on manyafo ya frempon ado wanwen wada en wosan to aso a woka se said ye ben e bo ne beba fom netemamufo ne body eduro yima wa pentukwakuyo when you wadwa wode sika ne si wateter na telai wudwa twere ho papa mu a na ne agu ho ene agya ya soba yire ye na abai na ne wadwa bi pa sensena twumoko papa bi etu sedi de agu so a ebia betumi anya bia die nti aban ne ekrakra nani se ne wom de ka bekokom ya no makotwe aduano de aba.
With the ministry, with the Minister of Finance, the Minister of Local Government, Minister of Trade, you have formed a group bia. You be share a campaign, you be faswa, transportation costs, form. Minister is so passionate about it. Say, you be to me, abua, ama, say, aban be to me, you subsidize, you be fuel, subsidize, you be, I mean, commandeer trucks, we no more confirm you, but they bring market to me. No, they can't tell me say, you go for aba. You mean control price, but transportation costs are getting few more. Send no more turn now, okay. Now consumer also be okay. See, that is where we are, and I don't know. Make us say fast track is our process. No, now Johnny Bono eco form. Naturally, no, Johnny Bono eco form, but if you are form so much say. Said be a last 2 years next year no because yempo see the na ho de na from pa I say economic management team no umuguso ye ho ade but say onye everything possible na ade no emra form koko syndicated loan na say okay say ba be boa stabilize enema kakra na any other IMF ade say nyaba it will stabilize things na in stabilizing the massa, then you share your crude oil imports. Ghana, you see 2 oil, but you refining oil. Then they refining oil may be a basic situation in Kakra. Energy Minister Kasa, I know, say, from December going, Tor will come back on stream. No matter processing, Kakrana, Diano. Now, you see to me a home buy produce. Me, I sure say, share the Guaquemono. By end of year, you be who changes Kakra was.
On manya for ya friend pon ado so afo abedi akire wo po adwuma rokocha ne fa hwenuane so no
awusia ye to ansam no so na ye de ani akire mu e wo ensam foforo mu ana ye kɔ oboase kane mra se bedwane de ma adese ya e wo oboase eye owura Edward Enin wono na one Sompa kase din komo mode asem bia to dwa akire mu se de amanfo bi kire no ombeja ya omunya sabi saa de no atwam da etasa party na wo mu no se ade toda se obi atwe ne ti se o pesa di bre no a ade anti na ho se esi obi kwan na asema woka nyina etere se enipa bi pese o tere se owura Alan Kwadwo Trematen ya wono Edward Enim se ne bre na aso na so nkofo bi mpese o mbema kwan ma owura no atimi aba no na omodo omonsa etere ba bi se papa no se obu nkompo kura na wo hwe a wo mfie na wanya no kura de a yebedu 2024 no de na je se wo keka kodo ni mo na mfie no kura bro so kura ya wo kwa duo chi ne akire nti we de da ba ne china ye mpa akokora asem bi atie ana saa de ni nyina no obahu ba bi efiri ba na nya de se ebeboa papa na asem ni
protest much in the sense I want to me a regional chairman before regional chairman and no really be regional chairman they got money about me John Boyd about me I go can say chairman for Ben 50 I declare somebody declare for John Boyd yes my first and second vice also so be true support to my PFK Holland as I'm working a chance as a party no emblem mo cry to about mom to me no to actually no Canadians will be no more for so don't and then we respect the new executive way. Young go for ya to about more chance I got on almost show my from true normal position any true businesses any normal and no but from my and no family enjoy and no more said yay as anti-my be a yes no more than I'm about to push and all the boy no I did and then maybe catch your mouth was watching woman in the meetings in the next 10 and say, oh, I like 80, then here would so no. Young frustrated so that will lose more on the 70 how maybe you. Me, I get in the corner of Lusupana, there's no other chance, no, I assume, because when you make you, that my Yenia, your Colana, your presidential mission, that chance, no, no one will do this here as an engineer. Yeah, what's in the president, no, I got near, yeah, we see we a top secret, I should be too much, and then you're going into all, it's this is some of the reason why some of these Ashantis, to me, sometimes some of them, they are not pure breed, because going to deeper, they are not pure breed. Few are pure breed. Those who are pure breed also are very wicked.
Kane mrasebe dwane de ma adehye ya ewo oboase owura Edward anim na wone omahe odubu acha no pai ade acha bia dwumade esu na sankomoyi efiri mu baaye
NPP amanyokuo di obekura frank ade ama wonom 2024 abato so egusuada ye huru pa na ye say wonom edi animu pa no owura lankwadwo kirematen na fesremu seja ta ya wote subo homa so Alhaji Mamudu Baumia wonom ne di animu na sade yakeka koro no ene ensam de ebi sisi na no na wotwe awie ye yes ye asante mantemu ye nantio ni abala kiremante chiridom ebi mu frinkran nyina eba wo kwibi nenno na ofsina doye kwatweberafoi koka nsem bia ko pagya mom keka busua bubomu mani pa bebre chi o madwe sedabi ye nyina ya busua ba ko na konyo ebeto ne ye bepre na we na ye last na we na ye fofo de ko ya na ase ye pai ye nyina ye tiso ye timi wi adwe na ni obe kire mu saa na pesa o kire sen aboa no na no wa won kwa wi asoja hai na ni pa bebre kasa ye busa se eni ase ye bekodwa me tobia de wo subranta montai ni nyina ye nwane ye mientumu na opiada nya campaign yeso power de sume busa cheche me kwa homane so political science lecturer Dr. Jalilu Abdul Atiku our line so hello doctor.
Hello, good afternoon.
Pa John I want to say
nyamia do me huye pa na
yo mezume we doctor na de akokwa so yi MPP fue omo ekuya hu say no yenyan no obi enbina bonti me campaign na
yo minya me da se na me fa wa fe dis na me ntia wa tie fo nyina mse se nia party members no nia omoye and maybe some phobia or motor party our master camps just trying to say obia pese or aligning and answer we should say the simesina medina chi and answer on meter na chi said no kwa ebi enye boni right it is enye boni but the point in say party no kasa ewo ne directives are almost issue and they do so niebe ya edi a kabum beba a party no because en kabum ehia party particularly the MPP because Mr. Makasa wafidi suda say we share omo seat now omo lose it from 169 to about 137 several factors ebi and so unity within the party so because they say no intra-party unity no so man shey na nema bi ekoso no man shey anka na ankoye eya after elections no mabe nyina no na say man ya nyina it can affect the defense party no em say no ntina abrebia na empanyfo ya omo di directives beba omo di directives ba omo di ma party members so who are one side we member of the party no I was say would this so what I say it's not only just about the executives and I say obi beka say I'm not in executive position no the point is that party they say omo can be omo be omo kwan say wa person we campaign no na why but some mo just say bia oh okay baby I do it yenma omo kwan so the party no I think that if they are able to follow the party rules any directives na executives no be no I think that ebeboa but one thing they say sometimes party leadership omo what the directives no eba they themselves go about na they will be doing something differently nti ekoba say na che say etija for no so na omo so say oh once I mean this is what is happening so I think looking at what near what is I mean near I do not think say it will be good if they are able to listen to the party as directives now is fine so long as a party no enya for directives and must say if I say you can go ahead and do whatever you want to do. I think that it will be in the interest of the party. Say they should listen to the parties at the right time. The party will come up because the party issue directives. No one can say, oh, because other people have started campaigning or doing all sorts of things. Then what is the next? Let's say if the party issue directive, let's say we are party niba, and let's say we are party penyibi, and let's say we are, I mean, elder or a position or occupy party. So we need emfa emra enye ejuma. I think that it tells a lot about you. So other that instead of saying so because of what the few people are doing, they should just allow people to continue to do what they like. Let me say no emfa enkabum papa emre party no.
Sir, yan share directives asema odi bay. One more pay no. Lawyer Justin Kodia or ya General Secretary. Eba bontin say omo di emra to ho. Say sabre no. Ma omo nye sa de no mpeso omo ye but omo buso. And one yes, a head walkie. Sadia when was in Justin Kudria, ya no nabe homo General Secretary, Yabeka say, woman for Buamano, any party no ana.
Who said, if I say, direct is not almost fallouty, and I do not think that it is in the best interest of the party. Say, MPP, health work as a party. So, as a party, some way almost health worker, they are doing it for the party. But say Kobase Bia, party members and as leaders Bia eta vice president Baumiachi, no person omoye, and I say Bia pro Alan, no person omoye. I think in that say almost flouted the party directives, and I do not think that this one is not. If they want to have a health work, say as a party. MPP no moye omo fine, that one is okay. But say akwa say bia alanchramante enya enkopiku form so ba be contest. Party no nyama hu kwan say party members no betumi and I say or betumi a campaign canvass for votes here and there. So it means that whatever they are doing, they are flouting the party directives, and I do not think that it is the best interest of the party. It is not good. They should rather give respect to the party leadership. Direct is not Omodiabano. Once it is within the party rules and regulations, they are supposed to respect those directives. And no, and a beboa party, no. But Kopani said, okay, let's work for Alan Chamantin. Now, let's work for Mr. Kwabena Ajepon, and let's work for a next year division. Next year division they are deepening it. And yen baby election one more yankofa from Sukrana Ashe because MPP for said they want to break the eight. You can do that with so many factors, including party unity. Sempa paimu ekoba na difference on edipina. Whether Alan Chamantin we knew, but we knew. Mr. Daini Mone we knew, and as a fee uncle to Niamunina, Kwabena, and as a candidate Japan. At the end of everything, the division is not a deeper. Obi Obeli deep party, no. That affects a candidate to Nomunina, they will suffer because it will be very difficult to mend their differences. And this unity, this problem, no, affected MPP in the last election, parliamentary election. It affected Omo. In some other places, people were preaching skirt and blouse. Preaching against their own parliamentary candidates, or wait to Ama Nana Kufado, but for near parliamentary in the end, and why you can vote for any A. So these are some of the problems now, Omo creating. So if from 169, 137, and they are not ready to learn the lessons, okay, and they still want to go ahead with it, and they say, Obibeka say, I think that it will be in the best interest of party full soldiers, the rank and file, the leadership, directives. That is why they have elected executives, and it is also executives also elected. They should also begin to punish people for flouting some of these rules and regulations to sanitize the system. And yes, if they want to continue in this way, then it means that it is going to be a problem for them because this particular primary election is not going to be an easy affair. Unlike the previous one. So what you see, so a lot of dynamism is coming into this contest, and they have to be careful because muye nyina na mukun na with the divisions eba, you are going to meet another strong party, the NDC. So I think say it will be in their interest to listen to their leaders.
Doctor, yare of sina doya semo akoka ya di hula balloon bebre abai. Say yare said your my Ghana yetu abanwa. NDC for a Christian. And atem biano NPP diano a Christian Muslim. Entino edaho domofone die debiano wamu ye vice. Any probably kasasa is o incite busuakuo baako atia baako. We no betimi affect NPP 2024 ya afeni ekui.
Well, minia even yemfa say betimi affect NPP going into the 2024 election. The issue is say if ethnicity, ethnic politics, and now religion, or the religion, need those type of I say would the ba amanyo in Samoa. And moi or mine as a whole. Because on mine, he said Obia Hobson Adoye, or Obia Wajina as a parliamentary candidate, Emma Katamanso. So what I say, so basically, such a person, in Emma and Sambia through Anumabano, they have to be measured. You cannot just go and speak anyhow like any other person. So what I say. So the issue is that if you never know in Senkura Oka and any Injina Zubia. So what I say, any baby say MPP for actual say Opese Woody, Opese say MPP, ye candidate is always this particular tradition we know and that kind of thing. It doesn't from as far back even 1954 election, for example. Now NPP, the Northern People's Party. I want to know more majority seats in parliament. They have 12 seats. So what I say, LD Dombo, no more the leader of the opposition party party at the time. Before later on now, by now, CPP almost pass the Avoidance of Discrimination Act with other parties no about one time but before then he was the leader of the opposition party. Yes, we normally have this ticket balanced ticket. You normally have a northern and then southern, and I say sometimes some try to balance their ticket using religion, and I say the agenda. There are so many because at every point in time you only have two people. One person will be the candidate, another person will be the running mate. But MPP for say all the time, Christians and our president now we and I say be free enough or not bit me. Those things they do not work. What is most important is that like a person like Hobson Adoye, if only I got the name right. We talk about people that have the capacity. You have the mental fortitude, the intellectual capacity to be able to lead the nation. And no end in here. So when you do something like this, you tend to hurt your own party, and even the person now who the platform say, "Oh, come vote for vote." You know, Obi Oha and Kaupe Alanchiramantin Assem, and now pe MPP Assem, but in some Obe Kantino, Onipano, Obe feel say, "Oh, so these people that is how they are." And don't let us forget, the New Patriotic Party, no, Oshe Aina, they have worked on the party for so many years. For some years, because of certain things in the past, it could be the alias compliance or the new now in the Zongos in particular. Now I said from the beginning, now MPP because of certain factors, but they have worked. Those who came before and they are on platforms, they have worked on the party. They have worked to get the party to be accepted by people. Whether it is the Muslim community and also Zongos, a lot of people have now joined. Who somewhere in 1992 now enter. So never be assassin. So statement like this, it may reverse. If I say never be a GGB a bill no more in the MPP say MPP enya account for party, MPP enya asante for party, MPP if I say ejina Emma Obia or no then he should just look at the interna MPP AUZ or sono as if I say almost symbol. So what I say. So basically, some of these comments, they do not help in building the nation. They can hurt the person now who feel say, in fact, playing something like this happening, maybe he will look at it and say that maybe adequately. But any other man say Uncle Jina because Jose Adoye is a very mature person, a person who stood or who was a candidate in an election. So when you be a way above I because so some of them, when they have the opportunity to be on platforms like this, they should speak in a way that will attract people to the party or to the candidate that they are supporting.
Doctor,
so this thing, I mean, yes.
The chat was say the air cosui. Yabaka so a mine cry sikasem. Enkoye ma ban no edwene ho anyway no so die a wamu ye e betimi a distract no say wo ye president ye den na ka obeye.
Well, for now, it would say at the moment, president, his focus is on trying to get us from the difficulties now, economic conditions, challenges now, our economy, and the priority are all focusing on. And for the party issues, it is expected to say the party leadership will manage the party in a way. For the president, it will also be a record to say, president, MPP, to me, a breaky, 8, echo beyond the 8. So what I say, so as a president, he is expecting some things like this. And this and when you nana echo bar, now actually say, it hurts, and because it hurts the party, the government will not be happy about some of these issues. But when I say, or no, I hope only appointment be in government. If he was, and I think our position be our government, if your person benchmark say same wakano, if you want all reason, or benchmark say okay, let me say Mr. Sound. Now Obia Bejina will he may not even give you the reason, but maybe that may be the reason. But in this situation, no, I do not think say Hobson Adoye will be or occupy a government position. So these are some. So I think that is where I would expect that the party itself to begin to be. I mean, to even for now, they will even pardon such a person, but they need to write to him formally. Say, and some this platform, it doesn't help your party. So you need to and also continue to remind or send caution to across board to the rank and file, the leadership of the party, to be circumspect, whatever, at any point in time that they have the opportunity to speak on whichever platform.
Doctor, say I can say in hopes in Adoyano, Justin Cody letter about on this or massacring a finitimunum, where they just in and Equayano.
Also, massacring a free party.
There be team Justin Cody at Simuno, secretary now or no team now, no, hopes in Adoyano, Ekahono. Watch on Crata up on a film. That's for now. No, if I say the general secretary, no, only team be a team, no, say, time now, looking for position, no, and now, a bit more how much support so. But I say now, you're elected, no, at least I don't even expect the team to exist again because you have become the party official for every person. So that team automatically should, it doesn't, in my view, it doesn't even exist. So I say, I'm going to say, oh, need the team and no Nkosiaga. They should take the party. If he's writing that as a general secretary, in some any A, B, and C, Ebobra. So as a result of that, we are cautioning you that this should be the last time that you speak this way. Or whichever Sanchez, BBA, or Biafra, and maybe a disciplinary committee, be friend. Normally not Nasi. Then they will take him through, say, maybe I'll Jina Kumasi, but to say, what you say, the only a year, and no, automatically, no, he has already been elected as to be the general secretary of the MPP. So as we speak now, right now, using Zikodia, if Dean Mayan a year, Justin,
he doesn't, he only team BRBU. Only team BRBU. And at the moment, he's a leader for every rank and file, every leader, every person in the MPP. So he represents everyone. So that team Nukurano, is saying, if for now I do not even so that letter now if in that capacity in India and could see they should take the measures within using the party structures. Party power na the man say in sema any party rules na directives na this we are not expecting you to do A, B, and C. It could be just a warning. Warning. Let it be a warning. Say next time we do not expect to find you in this platform speaking this way. So I think a new woman party.
Dr. Jalulu Abdul Atiku, thank you for your time.
Thank you very much.
Dr. Atiku, your political science lecturer, and your nidi and komono. Ebusianke kamomu dianye.
Ena kakrani ana yaba mo kase se wodo ne kiremu ewo yiro krobo ahye se omuda sumu sa na aka ho bi ma aya yoro ho sempa obia e ka ho asem empo party ne mpani fo bia frase kasa se braso sa wose ye de niam agu akwam sa de be ye betima hwe na nkane ano asan ba fi se ne akurase eni sum eni ba bia obia penkane a e de abo ne ho bra na ensiamodia bia koso ewo yiro krobo honom nanka wase MC ye won potem ho no onabo Eric Tete nanka wose okokasa e wodwumade na se wantimi anko na wosoma chiame ba ko ye ofiri NPP amanyoko no dim se won kokasa emfama no na esewani pa nsesa wokakire na nhyemude ne ase no ye ne Roman asori no sofopani ba ko ye ono so na wodwumade na se edi nkomo Reverend Father Bright Kennedy Japan ne nsabode ma so mpaka se ni
ana o mane ne kuhu denya tuma e safi SHC na impo a man for kasi review no man penisi dey e ka say ehu hia ne pa na masem ne say samre ne man e twere exams e wo we don't have light they deny the students school come from with impulse generator they can't even pay for the fuel in school you could say any A class school a third class school at the bachelor say enkosi awire nyana as and back no okotwere we are when school akesna de na akọ for akwan kakra wo hono na yanhwe ne yie ye man be sha akora baako o se hey father enti o man na nyu ye ho ana saju okoton kwarantim say e mena wo twere exams no o man na nkai wen because they have not committed any crime net one team one person can cause so much havoc against us in the future for the sake of the students who are writing their exams. Mr. President, please, I think we have suffered far too much. And you don't have put here. Obian can me time fix it. You know, yeah, jetum. If you crack or confess, I'm on family and pass on the ECG started mass, introduction. I fed your man and said, yeah, what's here? Pam. Now, can I say when you're quick? And you pay me do any kunum who say a man 40 yaw or break any of the team. Sika Kessia and your man penny, a minor, ye did both HIV/AIDS woman. And ye catch a member one and say, more than your Juma. Senator, won't put him and compare Sika. And they now to me and some year queer about wa and commitment at Juma. Oh, to me, Juma because of light, you know, at the end of one year. I said, the woman respect. I feel so much pain for my people.
Abusia ensiemodana se no Roman asole sofopani ba kwa ye honum ne tin any Reverend Father Bright Kennedy Japan nsamu a wode maye eno no na ye ntie mabunu a oba adwumade na se ne bi
because o ma wia dada and I achi omo but still am person mo wia because man be free America by we si fie wo trum honum me mboni din and wako G prepaid meter back 5 it's guys on be fix meter no man I'm free and libo na mo buy man so good to am ko ni fie no or you am fine am mo aduane dey na so man is anu me after that no so am fix meter guy back efa phone and check it code or code you the phone so for each meter bia no am fix him man so man if you from one sin each meter bia no bill that's 6,000 can boom we have to rise against our leaders yeah ahimfo and queen mothers and our MCEs and then what we want to come together as youth and then we rise against them because ahanum kra kobasa siso omutu limestone awo throw on village back bi share kwa ayeko the person now say yekwa nyina but we don't gain anything out of it sisi amako fa prepared aba come anu ye ni factory bia wa anu ye beka say me say me kwa boye juma na me da betua prepared but mo be fix meter prepared amai people na say ye person mo da fix you omo the soldiers armed soldiers am kita tuo and am the be fix meter na amai that means they are forcing it on us so we should take it there according to say political bibi no mo ye because omo nim say ahanum no NDC home na sisi MPP and also inti omo panyin no owo no enfa no because asem we are esin on kasa won want to man am for some plan on be check it then cause it is and we the youth we want to come together and then right against our leaders.
Ani ye twagu ye yilo krobo emabunu ya opie mu e wodwumade na ase bi onsam kakra wade tu dwa eno no na dwumade ne nyina ase no titrani e de ma dwumade ya ekoso e wo ho no eye nene neke nekpete ofoli agoya wotoso enan waye wo hene e wo ope ne nsamu a wade tu dwa ne ye
no wa ke mandala yo woni go bega je webi no wa nge yisi e ko teso to ba so wa one gene ne wa na ga one wa ma de ma wo jo wa no tapi no ka ke pe no nyane wo jo wa ke ju wa ju ne ba one wa ya e go mu no wa de yisi di bi o me ye bi tapi wo wa gbi ne ma bi o me de no wa ke ye blo no wa ma ku one light no ne ke ba to amane ba
ene ya etwagu ye eye titrani ekoso ebe na nsiemudie no ekoso ewo Eurocrobo ne tin ene neke nakpete ofoli agoya otoso enan na ye nua kwabena nyako eho kwabena nyame asomdwe nka wawie yi
enka osumi be ma
omuwie ye no ekire tese o maso ana
me nua ebeti sabri de enya ade ankane no atumi aba na so wankasa wutie ene na wabobọ ne nkomodi atumi akoso wo mpanyufo entem na enye nwonwa ese ene dey enko awieye anase ochina emmra ne de na ebia ye nuan mo menya krobo ani yelo krobo no nyankopon ayadom ama enyema hode no mo satimi aka sabri bambo gina tukufuo ene mensia sembre no ene nanano matrankonya ne mabuku no omunyina atimi ahia ama munyina agye atum se ebraso se omunyina betima aka bom no matimi apekwan betima faso asem no on betima sia no kwante bakoba ne sazo no ene adehia wo yelo krobo ne menya krobo no omunyina so gusu wa atwenyem omani agye so far anamoto panyifo tu dia fa ho ne mo gusu wa atwenyem se enemani ya no epanyifo behwe no betima so kana no dia mo se ne beboa ama mo so mudwumadi omudi ewo lowa menya ene mpo no eye yelo no amuso matima to aso atimi edi
de ekomogia ene omen utietie ene ya yabo no a asa maburu no omonyo madwen se sika na ewo no betua o utie de omo kan pa se de adwen sa kira ba na
minua be ma un se sikasem no two issues ni edi kan no mpanyimfo ekirem se ebi wo ho no mo dia omama no oma grant amnesty e dia mo mesan se eno no yemfum so bi ne baaye ene ma sa aka ne baaye na so ebi mo ho dia omo de ka legitimate omo de so mu etua na omo no ena ebi no mo ayo madwe se omo person betmetua se sika no na so de ba ko anka yisigifo ye ya anka bi beka se ko ma bo ade se ne kakra ne se omo anka se sa aka no mo de no mo ntwa ni nyina prekope ansa no mo so nka ne mo ne mo kiremu a omo best spread e de amomo se ne be ya nka mo becheje kakra ekopem so betimi aye den atua wi na so be na so kiremu se eno no de nka panyimfo se omo grant amnesty de na nka ni nyina na nka bibia so enye foforo eno tie no ena ye issue a me no ekase akwa se ehihan ho a panyimfo ehwe so betimi atie no so e de afi ho no
emaburu no kasa e mo kire sa asa amanyo sembi ya awuram efom ho no sa nete
from hane de obepie mu ewo menya krobo na yelo kroba ye nyina yenim ese eye NDC amanyuko no na omudi tintiman ewo eye empotemo no nti bibisa akoba na ban foforo ewo baadwa so a eno ne de ebekoso na mmom no wutietie form na wutie nsema abobodi fimu de ba wutie nsema mabu no eka na wutie ni aban no so eya me a mimi gina mfimfin no me de o kacha se yamanyo sebe keke na ma we aba be de se meje no part ada to me say there are a lot of issues o ma raise a no a contribute to it and me nua be man say meje o ma akona de ba kon so a o ma fo pinare eya fini se pop ma de tie no ensema mo kan se mu se yi sigifo ejom sase afise bi atwom ekọ ede bo ma no ho ba ese bre bi edu a na mesase mo de mo muti no mo ntua nkane aka enu tie binum so ede saa adwena so mutrim ene no so omutu ho na mo niti na akọbe se se eka kwa na eka ko ha na aka ko du fifin no enam se bebe na hwesenka anoba no mo ne yisigifo ko fe bi atwom ekọ no na kombeti medisa no ba no eso
Yenya bema kwa branya ko ane tene nka fi yero krobo no.
Ya kwa fija kwa bre south. Eni disi amanyokuo wa nhihye ya po won machi tafo binom abaso. Wose wo yesa adwumadie yi said ye be na won ma abre e wa amanyokuo ni mu no titu ni 2020 aba ye to ye no wo me de ahye wo manimonyam dwumadie kwaso e wo bo ho ne bra na Dr. said Christopher ya appear ya ono ye eni disi constituency chairman e kasa no no say na no aba ye to ye na wura no mbi won mo boy homodin pai wom se sabre we MPP amanyuko no ama ho kira ba beduedue Ghana fo so de nanso na se ebo wo no mabaso wo wie ye na mrata bedwane a wo gina mu ma de hye wo secre Afram Plains onmonyan for Dr. Alex Adomako Mensa se ni disi amanyuko entimi nyanwe ha hwe se sabre sikasem nko yie nko a na moma esa amanyuko no so won mutumi ekeka won mu pom na wo munya enkabo mu no ndi obetumi akasa ho kira e wo mu eye bank bi a MPP for ba ya wo mbegu no eno so ka ho
yanuma sepse we bin to mani dem ya dia ganado ba ya president who say I say traffic como fa na ngoro mo pese de ka obu a oba ye obetu de tonoma say diffuser abobo ya de ka ho say de be ya o so ba ko ya adwuma no manya bibidi ahwe wo no ma na mo fa bia break ese no to man sina na mampani so enu de de mo hu se sa no ma nyina ya toto a de ma yenu no ma se
that so and the NDC then only that so dia e dey na say yes ye as a party said ye ba e betu be gina pintin na ya bo man no enti no ma mo ye ankoye no o say etimi esu ehunu ne starting who say what are the problems at El and if you are able to diagnose the problem, then you can have a solution. So now we have to study the whole thing and then move forward. Because they came with a line and said, the way, and then Amazon, then I'm for a little confident. Because your time, your call 2015, or your time, are different. Now, and yet, say, be a economy as a crap, but who said, so if you are economy down to your because that time that power crisis not having but you go and apply from 2016 2017 2018 2019 I don't free man economy starting I'm economy starting and we share say you go banks and economy starting say and to me say say economy no 19 any Russia and Korean war na man here I didn't I said that because almost free 2019 and almost started collapse and then idea also to me catch the go for but buy no what banks no here 9 point something billion to correct the mistakes your money but now who go no
yo way such a Afram Plains one monyan for ya onu gina mu semra sebedwane di ma ni di isi amanyoko Dr. Alex Adomako Mensa
abusia ya ka ho asem wa ntimesrew eya apɛ ho asem tie na ɛbɛboa wo da hia bi nti na meka sa asem ya kyerɛ wo FIDO ye charity ya efrɛ ne fido eye BB we no eye korfa hyew ekwan so a wo fa wonya sika ɛbra wo ho akyere wo o pesika na so sika so aya ade o pese wo di dwa bia na se den anase bia o basa man sika wo school mu ni ade a wo betimi afra akoda na kura sa akora no kura mobile phone wo school ho no mu a eno an se wokɔ Google Play Store ho no mu a na wa download Fido app ni bi na wo download a se ne ye no wo bo star no abo 7 no abo 11 no abo star no abo 9 miensa no abo ash na wokɔ wo be se be lead we di kan no benya 200 Ghana cedis wo asema America nyina sima be se dunu mu ntampewu na won saka skari nyina wunya 200 Ghana cedis ni wi a na wo clear enu free ho no mu a e free ho kɔ no wunya 2000 ni ade sa ekɔ we no de wo hia eye Ghana card ya eti apo na edimu ya wotimi de ye adwuma ma no ye agent semu bia nim ana nya afa na obi be frɛ wo sɛ ɛna na sei da bi nti obi frɛ wo no ɔka sɛ bia meni Fido fo na ye adwuma sɛ ni sɛ ya approach fo ben wa ntempa mo mbɔ na bombo no mfa no kɔtum wate ase nti Fido FIDO download sɛ sia na gisika gubotom na ɛbɛboa wo pa sɛ ewiase ye wo ba bi yɛte ya ye kenkan kase yi ebia wo adwuma mu wo fie wo ba bi na wo tie na wo pɛ sɛ wo hwɛ ne ye ne wo ha ɛyɛ internet na wotimi de ayɛ na open internet ebetimi aboa na wo de ho ato so ebra wani mu ngu ase obetimi de adwuma bebre ebretia bi na ba bi a wo hye bia enteten kɔ ebetimi mo aye adwuma da mu no nyina kɔpem sɛ wan kasa ah e sɛ de ma bre eye cloud internet wei na Ghana for ni wiase nyina yɛde yɛ ho ato so nti wɔma yɛnim ngu ase da na wɔma yɛnim nso ngu ase da baabi biara yɛ nipa no wa obeto nsa frɛ ne sɛ cloud internet mommra na me ne mo adwuma kumasi ha ya no wo top high won ye nuanom love fm ana edi ehwani mu kɔ na wo mu a wate 0244 601 933 0244 601 933 na waje oso abusua ye kɔ yanim na ensem bebre aka yaba yɛbɛkɔ yɛ nua bɛma Ebeneza Owusu ansa hɔ ɛnya ne nteɛ sɛ akwanhyia kɛseɛ bi asi paa ɛwɔ Ahafoano Southwest mansini mu a yɛ ɛwɔ asantemantam a ɛne ɛnyan yɛba
Sesia Ghana hade open internet papa eye smooth eye fast bemo waye dia wo ye bia with speed dia eye Cloud Ghana internet and phone ne baby a wo share say a new site and a rural area Cloud Ghana chow internet ni tuma said demo any entertain ko na ne speed ne so de wo ne seso da say dwumem efie ana baby a wo here internet bia de and no ane Cloud Ghana internet Cloud Ghana nkwana Ghana ha o provide internet connectivity a entwitwi ne Chancy, a dem say smooth. The Audi ABR, a content term so the mouth. Say Wi-Fi and now hotspot deployment, CCTV camera installation, IPVT installation, net surveillance, digital security locks, and a web hosting there. Cloud Ghana internet service and Kwana and you simple. When you how beer, you provided 24-hour support. Demand open a chakwaya top high opposite Love FM. Yene Kwama Rural Bank never dine bakum 0202 699 110. And now 0244 601933. Cloud Ghana Internet. The future can't wait.
Hey, na fido loans say simple sir.
Won so dia beto wallet mu.
Just 15 minutes pay. Egem.
Minua ton drinks or traffic mu so dia beto mu.
15 minutes pay. We be dia beto mu. We adwadini o we hwan yo. We per small loan wa. De wo hia na wo Android phone. Wo valid ID card. Na dial *711*999 hash. Na fa unko download Fido app. Enfili Google Play Store. Fido ni ye FIDO. Brie. Na apply for the loan. Wo first time. Wo ma 200 Ghana cedis na se wo twa wi a. Next time no apagem kosoro. Wo ma kosi 2000 Ghana cedis.
Eye 24/7 debia.
Ampo.
Unko salai wo bank bia. Unhia collateral. Unhia guarantor.
Sapepepe. De wo hia so wa dial *711*999 hash. Na do akọ download Fido app no. No apply for loan. Fido loan. L'argent est prêt.
I see anything.
The money is ready.
Sompa nkomo abusuafo monimi nyina be ya dwen se enye nipa nyina na sasem ha wo mu a wo mu wakukuduro betra radio so beka wo no masem nanso asam no se yensa ka dia abedwafo ne arefo ntiefo ye de enim die be sesa adwene na obi nso ho aton sompa nkomo yese awade bie ni wa aseye Bible say na obema ni hu oba no wo se a me honam ni na me dompani sete sadia adene ye ware wi a na yesi akire oba ni wiem bema ni wiem de friend is the cheating no ye be ready de ba Bible say obema be jana ja ho ode ho ba akofam ne yere no ma ye honam kro na fe aden ene ye wade wi a obe ye japade ani kuni be me ye japade ani yere nim awade mu kwase abuo ni nyina ye be hwe sompan kom ye de ye se asem bia fabre ye ne ye tiefo ne abedwafo no bedi ama enti hia me ohini ni ama kranche adazoa sofumami premaini e wo sompa 93.1 FM efiada we enumre no 9 kopema enumre no sia ye ne ni ntini ni akokuru bete ya omunim awade sisem ye be kyerɛkyerɛ na wawade no ebeye yi sompan komo ye se awade bie ni wa aseye na wawade be se ya ejina wo so
abusia ye mamo akwaba kane asantemantamu tetrani ewo papaje apenso no eye owura Samuel nuama donko nia etie ene se papa no daya wansore se omanfo be kai na omoahye no so a papa yi ebre bia na wote ase na wo ye adwuma se asantemantamu so afo e papaje apenso no na otakwa radio so ekasa pa na mo be kai kura asem bia odi kan be tu dwakura ene se amanfo bi pese omo fa kwan bia so no mo gu nanimu ase ade kire papa je minim se mo kai sa asem me se be boss yi wakai papa yi ne ho abakwasam kakra ene se ye wo no September bosom da ne tosu enum wo afe apem ahankron ene aduonum enwatwe no mu ɛwɔ asɔkɔre koforidua yɛ wɔ ɛpoyɛ mantam no emu na Ghana fo nyina afraseɛ ya wɔde due ma yenue monhyɛden ya kɔnsɛm efiri MPP amanyɔkuo num NDC amanyɔkuo num adɔfo ane abusuafo nyina ɛhɔ yɛn kaika yɛn ho kakra bi ɛbɛn na papa no te ase a na wɔne yenua no radio station baako edi nkɔmɔ na ne nsɛm a wɔka sɛ Ghana fo bi pɛsɛ mo fa kwan bia so na mo gu na nimu ase na mo pɛ nim ɛwɔ papa gye hɔnom no yɛn tie nsɛm a wɔka yɛ.
The first value you have to display under President Rawlings is hard work. And the next is patriotism. In whatever you do, you must do it and ensure that the nation benefits as a country. And the third, he will demand integrity from you. You don't have to color whatever information you give him. And whatever you do, you must make sure that you're doing it for the best interest of this nation. These are the three values I personally learned from him. For him as somebody who always gives you a chance, even if some people accuse you wrongly. This is my personal experience. I had certain experiences where people would tell a lot of stories about you.
Abusane ye pese ye kaka ye ho kakra enti opani ye ne team komoyi ne ten ene Samuel Nuama Donko eja idrama mfo so na yakaya ye pese ye din komo kakra e wo sa ansensem ne hwesa de ndi samanyoku no wakoye party ba ya wakure isan na munsam asite owura ya obimpe kane asante mantamu titre ni edma NDC amanyoku no papa e ma ye nyina ho hyede o
nya mejozo enyado
papa na pom tesen
nyame ne mompa ba daruma boko
yimisa sa be de ba ne se ya moni abre panti wo de head haw kakra be na botima mama me ne matiefo ate na wi wadaruma
menua me de wase bibre me chia wo ne watiefo nyina na adwuma moye menua wo ba ye nua Nuama Donko a wo ye NDC ni mapa na ya NDC ahwere ade because onye NDC nko a wo ye PNDC ni ena osaye CDA ni so dem prime channel PNDC bayansa na yebeba yebewura wenim nyina ansa na yebewura PDC ni CDA nyina mu yene na ye ya no ye regional organizer e wo Eastern region ansa na yenua Nuama Donko obeye regional minister e wo Eastern region obeye health minister of the whole Ghana no a minister of health e wo magan mu enam President Rawlings
a fourth republic no
yes obeye minister for health our mampeni Rawlings apenso and son our minister of health no ye na ba Ashanti region amana be regional minister our Santimemu enumu na sebe ye krondo sebe nyado ye to aba NDC ntimi ama power ye diko ngugu o mampeni kofo obeye president no enum yene na ye adwuma bia ye keda work yene na ye party adwuma yene na bibia ye bia ni misa Nuama Donko na ye na sebe yesu wuru kurade a enkwantimenye me hope say we am misa Nuama Donko we ono a kwa woko no obompa ye ma NDC se de be ya nyame be boa na 2024 eko na we ye ni ma na ni misa Nuama Donko nyina eko se NDC beba power 2024 no eye omamperinda da John Dramani mama eko aye eko no Ghana ha nyina nkanka ne asantemam se de be ya 2024 omampeni John mama ba be ye president nanka ne so ade hunu no nso so Nuama Donko de de aboa no se me se Nuama Donko on katias fun bi ba de nyame pe no ye me so me ya rehye me se kwa wo koi ba bi obeko bia no obeye campaign de aboa NDC party ade aye campaign de aboa omampaninda da John Dramani mama ama 2024 NDC asapa ne ntoma pefie biem enti ye de nyame gya no wonko da ye na Abraham kukum ne mene so ne efre nyina yesu akwa no na ye de enidie ne entontom de ama Awurade asafo Awurade
wararoma eja omo akokora no se yenya ne ntia se amunu de eni wo man ne wo mo wo amanone ana
sa na menya ne ntie ba de na me se menye busuani na mennim en anadwina mti ni woni ntino menyanya ayinhwe baabi a amu no sisi a ba ye bompa ye se mfiri nkopim bi anwumra na acha no na ehu baabi amu no wo na otweda ne bebe nhye bi baabi ano menyam number no afiri me ye de betu munyina muso mo anim na munyina ma ba ye moa because wasom wo ma no esompa
ofa yawo e ma ye nyina ho hyeden o
me de wase bebre me na nyame nhira
o nhira won
no
so
matiefo nya ena adwuma pa moya baba yo
abusia we de tawu kane asante mantamo so afo papa J epeso yewura Samuel Nyama Donko wodaya wansori papa nyamfinsia aduosia ena no pani ni din komai yewura yaw bimpe kane asante mantam titrani edema NDC amanyoko no
ye to akase bono eso afano south mensi kracho on monyamfo Joseph Bonsu Frempon ena wono ma yedwuma son bi aboa ye nuanom asabi eburu wono na makwa ba bi atochima woni social welfare and community development eniema wo mo chede ano bo no Ghana sika bebre ebi e laptop e machine de pamade abobo ya di freezer e wheelchair ene ebi mu kura wono ma yale sabia mu eka wotua ni nyina neno eno de afutuo mo se die ntia womode saa niema na ma wono a apane bo ehomodin se womo nso nsa meka bie no womo fankoye ne bia momu womo ho so abomfia
bianuma sepse we bin to madi dem ya dia nanado ba ya president who say o say trafia como fa na ngoro mo pese de ka o ba yo obetu de tonoma se diffuser oboya ne de ka ho se de be ya o so ba ko ya djuma no manya bibidi ahwe wo ne o ma no mo fa e ya break se no to ma na mampani so ni de ne de mahu se sa no ma nyina ya toto a de ma yenu ma se bi o ma tutu a de mo se sa no mo ko di nyina mo hwe so yi mo fa nya adwuma butaya e wo mampani ti mo a mi to se ado ma no mo mo fa ko se ado no
now ansoa Madam Florence Togbovia ya ono she head of social welfare development any community development and so bo aban no abaso wie no sansre ne se enema de omu hia bi pa sanse ya no omu wa ho kyire mu waka kyire wono ma age niema ne se mode kro no de ntia mo beje ye no mo fa nkoye
Southwest District a challenges kesi a timely release of funds that I did support check and some and say ama a disbursement a delay kakra na omo junior man challenges ba kwa enya omo say obi anim say bia abai na this scam e di nua man ba nti on fa ho say nua man obe take good care of it and I say on fa ho bra say nua man we no or the one no they are to them obi eton enti nyoma say no de bia ye catch rom nyoma we de ye di ma omo say ebeboa omo ankasa e na ebi be ko omo busia
yo ya mami etini ka Madam Fradense ene onu sugine mo ne afo no social welfare boadwuma pa
abusia taw ye konkofo ama so na ya hwese de ehon nsem so esiti a ye gira mo e wo Sudan amino emu ayrohusam ye firi Sudan man mu eba kire se enipa be se aduonum ane akire ana sese no monka atiasefo ho ne nyina ene se de nsubransam esi etiegu e wo Sudan man mu no ano odene pa na ukọ Sudan man mu a kasamafo edema Sudan National Council for Civil Defense Brigadier General Abdul Jalil Abdul Rahim wono na wane Sompa kase edi nkomo anu a kire se wo kan sampa a kire mu yie pa kire yen ne yenso yati ho pa kire amansan a wo kire se wo ba Sudan ho se no a eya na enso no ta ahyase dwumbosom no ahyase no a na ahyase na etimi bomu a ko September no ho a ansakura no a etimi ate eba ne sana na nso na yiri afantam ho ba bia ane ade na omo kire se adehye ya aye tukotena kura no de ano otere papa ya opani ne kire se ne nkuntabuo mokura no nipa bro be se empem nwotwe ane akire ana esei omunya ba bi entena na ayrohusem ukọ ba bia ano oden pa no a ba bia fa nse Makayala village ehonum eben asuo ya fa ne se nar no ehonum pe ne sa ayrohusem asi na hon wo kire se eyekurokuma bia enya emmie kesesa na honum so akuafo pa ne tete honum te ba ne sa no a na kyesa de se ye wo ye enwan na ntwe ne mu akeka ho nyina no na kyesa omo ho aka woi eye nsam a efi Sudan man mu eba awiai yede mu asam no bi ebremu
kasia no asi akokra mafia series ne gusu ada ye yi kire mo memenda na onwotwe mpam kopem no nkron Tawa media ni wa iswa na akabo mu akabeneza kwa kuma no konfoko lege adofo ni nyina ka ho miame nua be ma wa yosi ono so ejinam 21st clinic abe heba extra comfort na fe midima for herbal wonom enikura wonom epechiri wobeboai ema womde se adwumadie enso eba awie asante ebo Benedict wa esamufo Kokwa Veronica Jando the Evergreen enu amamelistic enso enyenso maje eni den amde atuma nui asabodu abanso eja wo mo papa ya de kase ebo ibre wa fieje wa Grace akosua somo Elizabeth miami raya bo amalibia boga ena akosua wa kode apostle wonom ka ho bi akenkafo ne ye me wo hinini ama krancha dozo of mami primeni na fe
nana kwabra kese ye kai wo se FID wo fido ye sika ho asem nti sika de ye nti ya pebi na ma ho asem hia wo pa wo ko Google Play Store ho download ya na dem wo na wo kro no cloud internet ma ho asem hia wo na internet de se no anu bia e de di ne dwuma ye ko ama Rocky e de nyompa ato aso yakra
playing only the best music in the world.